Welcome to Bill Pro CRM product presentation, a solution for construction vertical from CTAS Information Technology Private Limited. This is a dashboard of Bill Pro CRM. It starts off with sales pipeline, property availability against various stages, payment outstanding against all projects, and token advance collected based on projects, and registrations month-wise. It has got telecallers dashboard as well, wherein it provides information based on campaign types, campaign budget versus actual, leads by source campaign, revenue collected by each campaign. And under sales team dashboard, we'll be able to see sales pipeline, sales leaderboard, sales by projects, and deal won by lost, and top customers. All these dashboards are customizable and we can create as many dashboards as we want. The best feature of Bill Pro CRM is the drill down functionality, and in this example we are able to see the availability under one particular project based on unit or block wise, and even further drill down is also possible based on flows, for example. Based on directions is also possible. Based on square feet or area. So all these information are available on all mobile devices, as Bill Pro CRM is a web-based application. It has also got social interaction features, like where the employees can comment and share all their information. It helps you to establish property master through discount lists, unit groups, price lists, and product lists. Bill Pro CRM allows multiple price lists against one project. Under project master, we'll be able to define the projects based on status, what type of property it has got, and even the milestone and the UDS definitions are defined. So let's see how the demand is generated through Bill Pro CRM. Under marketing, Bill Pro CRM helps you to establish various campaigns. Under one particular campaign, we'll be able to capture the campaign name, status reason, campaign type, and establish a link with the price lists. Is also possible with Bill Pro CRM. It has got ability to capture the financials pertaining to one campaign, capture campaign activities, and including campaign responses as well. The system provides special feature to capture campaign responses, whether a customer is interested or not, and establish a link to one particular project, and a free space to capture all the customer information. And in fact, we'll be able to establish a link with the existing customer if necessary, or we can create new customer details as well. So let's see how marketing team hands off to telecaller team. At one click of a button, marketing team are able to create leads for telecallers, and telecallers team gathers all the required customer information. And if you can notice, system by default establish a marketing link to one particular lead. Let's see how telecallers hands off to sales team. At a one click of a button, telecallers will be able to pass the information to sales team, who further captures customer information like forecasting information, against various sales stages like meeting, site visit, negotiation and booking. And the project information is also captured. And the property is also linked to one particular customer. And once that is done, system by default capture the payment details based on milestone definitions. For this example, let's assume that the customer is really interested with this property, and let's prepare the customer to move on to the next stage by collecting a token advance from the customer. The salesperson is preparing the customer for the booking stage, and as the customer is really interested, the salesperson moves to the next stage of registration through confirmation once again. Very much similar to previous stages, at one click of a button, the salesperson will be able to move the customer to the final stage of registration, where all the information about the customer is verified. And now sales team prepares to hands off to the customer follow-up team. Now that customer follow-up team has got all the customer information pertaining to the payment collection against the due dates. So all these informations are highly important for customer follow-up team. Once all the payment are collected from the customer, the property is ready to be handed off to the customers. And these are the various features and functionalities of BillPro CRM. And thanks for watching this presentation.